Hi friends, welcome back to our kids yoga time. Today we'll gently stretch, move our bodies and bring in some positive energy. Remember, go slow, follow your own pace and take breaks anytime you need. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Sit comfortably, cross your legs, relax your shoulders and take a slow, gentle breath in. Lift your arms up high toward the sky. Stretch gently and breathe slowly as you reach up. Let your head tilt softly to the side, roll your neck slowly and carefully to release tension. Move on to hands and knees and round your back like a soft stretching cat. Breathe slowly. Stretch your legs forward and bend gently toward your toes. Relax your back and breathe. Reach one arm up and over to the side. Feel a gentle stretch along your whole side body. Bring your feet together and let your knees gently open like butterfly wings. Breathe calmly. Fold forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Let your body feel calm and safe here. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Take slow, deep breaths in and out. Lie down on your back, close your eyes, and let your whole body relax and feel peaceful. Great job today! You did amazing! Thank you for practicing with us. We can't wait to see you again for the next yoga routine. Bye-bye!